The I-751 waiver. As an immigration lawyer, I can tell you that these particular waivers are a source of a lot of confusion and misinformation. So, you got a 2-year conditional green card through marriage. Of course, you want to keep your green card. And to do that, you're going to have to file Form I-751, the petition to remove conditions on residency. Immigration laws require you to file the form together with your spouse, your husband, your wife, the person who helped you get your green card. But what happens to your I-751 or your green card if your marriage relationship falls apart? At this point, your immigration status gets a little more complicated. Keep in mind that you do not have to try to pretend that you and your husband or your wife are still together as a couple. In fact, the easiest way to wreck your chances of keeping your green card is to try to trick USCIS into thinking that all is well with your marriage when it isn't. The good news is that immigration laws allow you to seek a waiver of the general requirement that your I-751 has to be filed jointly together with your spouse. To win your I-751 waiver, you're going to need to do 2 things. First, to get your I-751 waiver approved, I recommend that you get a divorce. Now, I know that may seem like odd advice. Common sense may be telling you that since you got your green card through marriage, the best way to keep your green card would be to remain married. But that's just wrong. In fact, getting a divorce may be the best way to ensure the approval of your green card case. Second, to win your I-751 waiver, you're going to have to persuade USCIS that your marriage relationship was bona fide. This takes skill and effort. The I-751 waivers that my office prepares are usually the result of months of work, and they're often hundreds of pages long. You should expect a tough interview with a USCIS officer. They're going to grill you on all aspects of your immigration case and your marriage. But my clients are prepared for this. I make sure they have all the right documentation, and I let them know what sorts of questions to expect in advance so that they're ready. And when the interview comes around, I'm in the interview with them as their lawyer, representing them. When you're ready to get your I-751 waiver approved, give me a call.